Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Unlimited channel. Hope you are doing good. It's another beautiful time to be here with you, and I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. And if you are here the very first time, I say welcome. This is a platform where we share information that are hot and fresh in crypto world, where we can all take advantage of. And like I always say, this is not a financial advice. I'm just here to share information which are necessary. And if you would like to take advantage of them, and recently and lately, we've been experiencing mass adoption in crypto, in Web3, in mainstream. We have this Donald Trump election recently, where we have a lot of activities, a lot of improvements in crypto world. Countries are acknowledging the use of crypto. So today, I will be starting like a beginner's course for people that are just joining, that are still skeptical about crypto. And I would like to share step-by-step guide with you how you can actually take advantage of it. And if you are coming here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your loved ones, and to be part of this move that is going on at the moment. So let's get started. Before you can get to know or understand this, I will encourage you to subscribe or open an account with CoinGecko, and at the same time coinmarketcap.com. That is coingecko.com and coinmarketcap.com. I will drop the link in the description panel of the video. You can just click it. It will redirect you to the legit website. So if you've actually been able to open an account with these two exchanges or two crypto tracker, then you are good to go. Now, when you land on this page, this is the home page. At the top here, top left corner, you're going to see some data there. That means on CoinGecko, we have over 18,000 crypto that are registered on this platform. And we have like 1,340 exchanges. And at the moment, we have over $4 trillion dollar market cap of crypto that has been exchanged all over the world. And in 24 hours, we've had $189 billion exchange. And then in the dominance, we have 57.9% of BTC, while if that is Ethereum, takes 13.2%. So these are crypto listed here are actually categorized. It depends on what you are actually looking for. If you are looking for memes, if you are looking for NFT, if you are looking for alphas, if you are looking for Binance chain, Ethereum chain, Bitcoin chain, tokens, or coins, you can actually use these platforms to navigate through them easily. Now here you can actually see the details breakdown of what is going on at the moment. And by the way, if you are familiar with stock exchange markets, I know a few people, or mostly you've invested in stock exchange, treat crypto same, but the advantage of crypto is it is a market that never sleeps. It runs 24/7, unlike stock exchange that sleeps over the weekend. You understand? So like I said, this is the price, the market cap at the moment. We are above $4 trillion, and then a 24 hours trading volume is 189 billion. At the moment, we have the dominance here, we have the trending, the tokens that are trending, and then we have the top gainers here at the far right corner. So if you come to scroll up a bit, like I said, you have the categories here. If I click the categories, it's going to pop up, drop down for me, and I'm can see as many as possible tokens I want to see. And then you can, this logo represents the gainers, I mean the exchange or the blockchain they are domicile. So let me just take for example, let's say you want somebody just come to, because every time you are on the platform they say pump it, pump it, pump it, but you don't actually understand what is the meaning of the pump you're talking about. And people do FOMO, that means fear of missing out a lot. And then when the market is going up, everybody wants to buy, and unfortunately people are liquidated, but in the sense that the price may drop and you lose money. Just to avoid that, that is why I'm doing this video. Please stay close, watch till the end. So for example, this is Bitcoin, which is the number one coin on this platform. And like I said, at the top here you can see we have 57.9% dominance in crypto. That is almost half of the market cap here is on BTC alone. And you can see here, this is number one. At the moment the price is 117,000 US dollars, and the volume in 24 hours is 45 billion dollars, and the market cap is 2.3 trillion dollars, and in 7 days it's dancing all over. So let's just click this Bitcoin and try to explain a few things for us. Now once you click any token of your choice, right, you're going to see the basic and the full details of the token. Now for example, like I said, it's BTC is currently trading at 117 $289, and over the years when it was first listed it has actually done 86,588.6%. That's massive, and if you can scroll down a bit, you're going to see the full details here. The maximum supply volume of BTC that can ever be is 21 million, and the total supply at the moment is 19 million. That means we have less than 100,000, less than 100,000 to go, on 1 million they're about to go. 1 minute they're about to go. So once it's that, then once it's done, that means you can imagine the astronomical effect this is going to have on the total market cap. All right. So when you scroll down, you can see the website here. Once you click this, let's assume I click this now, it takes you to this platform where you can read the white paper of BTC, what BTC is all about, get to know BTC, get to know what it is. And then let me go back to where we're coming from. You can see a lot of these stuffs here, what to do. The community is on Reddit, X, Facebook, and a few other places. If you are a programmer or developer, you can actually use GitHub to understand more, and then the smart contract as well. You can click this and see as many things you want to see there. For now, say for example you want to buy BTC today. For example, let's say you have $10 to spend on BTC. That means the volume of $10 is going to give you this in BTC. But as a matter of fact, you can continue to accumulate BTC. It doesn't matter how much you have, you can as well grow into this space. So let's go to the all-time high. All right, since 2013, that means the first time it was listed, that was 6th of July 20. The first time it was, it rose up to this price. That was 12 years ago, and the all-time low $67, and then all-time high 124,000 US dollars. That was yesterday. That is the 14th of August, and then today is today is 15th thereabouts. So you can see the change in price over the years. Imagine you have just one BTC like 12 years ago, and imagine how much you will have at the moment. So let's go to the max price movement of this token. That means in 28th of April 2013, it was just at 135 US dollars. Then over the years, you can see 2017, 2018, it started moving. It started moving and came down in 2022, December 24. Then it moved again, and since then, it hasn't looked back. Are we going to see new all-time high very soon this year, December? Maybe topping 200,000 US dollars? We never know yet, but we just move as it is going as well. So you can go to the market as well. You see where you can actually buy BTC. These are exchanges, Web3, whatever places you see here. You see these are the centralized exchange. These are the centralized exchange as for perpetual futures. Those are pouches where you can actually trade BTC and make some cool money. So let's click the central exchange, the sex means central exchange. You have this list. If you have any account with them or you've not actually had any account, please, I will advise you create or open some account here where you can actually understand better as well. If you go to the decentralized exchange, you see quite a lot of them here. They're like for the free pages. You can scroll, you can check out to your best or preferred DEX places, and the perpetual liquidity provider as well. Those are the list, and you get to see the news as well at the top. What is the latest about Bitcoin? You get to see compare tokens as well, how they've actually moved in the last 24 hours, 7 days, and a year. And you can see the historic chart as well, how it has actually moved. You can see, you can show more. You can see from the 27th of July, of July, even until today. You can see the price movement. This is how to understand the crypto space. So you can see, so those are the kind of things you can actually do to understand crypto. It's so easy. It's not a closed secret, it's an open secret for everybody to see and understand. But it depends on how much of effort you want to spend on this to understand the nitty-gritty of it. It is always good to understand the fundamentals before you start investing in crypto. It is very good to be mentored. It's very good to follow people who have actually tested it and they can actually advise. And if you have any question, please drop in the comment section of this video and I'll be glad to reply. So you can see a lot of them. For example, let's go to BNB, that's Binance, and you can see the price as well. You can see this, the max supply is 200 million, and then the supply at the moment in the market is 139 million, and the total market cap at the moment is 114 million. This is like Nike. It's like par with Nike now at the moment in market cap. That's number 145 around the world as well. You can see here is a smart contract where you can actually check, but there are so many things here, you understand. But I'm going to be doing this in batch. Like I said, this is a course for beginners, how to understand understand crypto and getting started. A lot of information in here, for you to understand how this system works. So when you now settle for the crypto you want to buy, or you are interested in a few tokens and you want to start tracking them, how do you now get to do that? You can actually create a portfolio on this platform. You can use the portfolio. Once you come to the portfolio side here, all right, you click the portfolio side. It takes you to this place where you can actually create a portfolio. All right, once you click create portfolio, you can name it anything. Crypto, let me say crypto for beginners. So I'm gonna create that. So it's created this the portfolio for me. Now let me add a few tokens. For example, let me say I want to add Ethereum, I want to add BTC, I want to add Solana, I want to add, which again, Arbitrum, and I click add coin. It's going to add into the portfolio for me. So this gives me, like what I've done now, this they are here. This gives me opportunity to track this and to understand how they move, to know more about them, like I come. So whenever I buy this, which I'll be doing in the next video, how to buy, how to track your purchases in crypto. So this is what I have to share with you today. Still, just look forward to more videos how I explain crypto for beginners, step by step on what to do. Here, like I said, CoinMarketCap is a place where you can actually get to start in understanding crypto. Treat it like stock exchange market. However, this has a better understanding because it is a 247 market. It never sleeps. So, right. So this is what I have to share with you today. If you have any question, please drop them in the description panel or the comment section, and I'll be glad to do it. And if you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, and then please share and like with your loved ones. Thank you very much for coming by. Till next time, stay out of trouble, and God bless you. Cheers.